this video, Joe Foley and Pat Daly discuss irrigation suction lines.
As many fittings losses as you can, or screen losses on that inlet side, so you can conserve as much of that energy as you can coming into the pump, because that's actually worth really good money.
So using Pat's number,
yes,
would there be a direct relationship to say there's about 30 psi
yes,
sitting here?
Yes.
That could be equivalent to 30 by around about the $1.20.
36 bucks a megalitre.
But you're not having to pay for
that you're not having to pay for.
And you're trying to reduce as much energy burning
yes,
of that 30 psi.
Yeah.
It's probably a good time for me to mention that in a lot of cases I see pressurised systems like this one, where you might have pressure out of the irrigation supply channel and they put it into a dam. Now I understand the reason why we have these earth storages, because you never know when they might be working on the channels and shut everything down. But there's a lot of opportunities there to be able to tee off those hydrants in a lot of cases and go into the suction pipe of the pump.
Directly.
So directly, because that's also energy in that pipe. So you're not venting it off into atmosphere when you're filling the dam. So you've got the best of both worlds. Then you can use their pressure to boost your pump up, or if they shut the system down and you've got no water out of the channels, you can revert back to the earth ring storage. You've also got, you know, evaporative losses in those storages and seepage, which does add up to considerable amounts of water over a year. So there's a number of places, some of the schemes, you know, Vandenberg and Theodore and Mariba are those places where quite often they can do that. They've got good pressure at the outlet, tee it into the suction pipe and use that whenever they can. So it's always a good idea on the suction, whether it's a positive head coming into it or not, is to have a nice gentle rise to the pump. Don't have any ups and downs in it. For those that have got suction lifts with poly pipe, the other thing that can affect those pumps, and I see this quite a bit further north, where is you know, black poly absorbs a lot of heat, and you can have a pump that's fairly close to the line as far as lifting that water out of a dam or creek, and the hotter that water gets, the more effect it's going to have on the pump's ability to lift that water. So it's okay once you get that water moving, because it's going to cool the pipe down, but initially people have trouble getting that water started, and I know that to be a fact with some people that pump out of the Pioneer River, where they've got long black suction pipes and it sits out there all day, and they go to start it during the day and it just can't get away because the suction is too close to the line to be able to do it. So